Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the car in ACC or ignition on so the infotainment is active. This is crucial for pairing. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and set it to discoverable. Make sure any prior car pairings are removed to avoid conflicts. Now, on the Punch's touchscreen, select phone or the Bluetooth icon, then add device or pair new. Follow on-screen prompts. The system searches for nearby devices and displays a code when it finds your phone. When the car finds your phone, you'll see a PIN. You must confirm that the same code appears on both screen and phone, then accept on each device. This authenticates the connection. After pairing, the Punch prompts to allow contacts and call history. Grant permission if you want hands-free calling and caller ID. Also enable media audio so music plays through the car. Once configured, the infotainment shows your phone as connected, and you can test a call or play a track to verify. Finish by testing a call and streaming a song. Switch the infotainment source to Bluetooth and adjust volume so you confirm audio routes correctly. If connection fails, disconnect the device on both ends and repair. Reboot your phone and retry. Often a simple reset clears glitches. If problems persist, check for infotainment or phone Bluetooth updates and remove old paired devices that may interfere. One key tip: toggle Bluetooth off and on again on the phone while the car searches. It often forces a fresh, successful pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.